Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prachi. So in this video I've created this beautiful makeup look. So वैसे भी festivals आ रहे हैं and that's why I thought why not create a festive look so that you guys can learn it, practice it और आप लोग ये कर भी सकते हैं. The special thing about this makeup look is I created it only using Lakara brush set. So if you have seen my last haul video, you must be knowing that I have purchased this Lakara brush set from Amazon, and today I have created this look using only these brushes, as well as I will review all the brushes for you guys. So if you are interested, please keep on watching, and guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and also share it with your friends and family. Before getting into the video, I want to talk about the packaging as well as the price of this brush set. So here is the brush set which I'm talking about. This comes in this beautiful packaging. We'll start with the pricing. This one retails for 2199. You get 10 brushes inside it. Behind it, it is written to use cold or lukewarm water. Please avoid using hot water. These brushes are handmade. A slight fallout might occur, which did not happen when I used them. Okay, so let's open. This is their new packaging. Okay, Lakara is there in the market since past 2 years, but us time pe packaging alag tha. This is their new packaging and I like this packaging more as compared to the earlier one because ye zyada compact hai. These are more handy. Brushes are the same, they haven't changed the brushes though. So once you open it, it comes in this package, right? And all the brushes are inside it. Okay, and you also get this travel friendly pouch. Okay, so if you are traveling, no need to carry that big box. You can just pick the brushes which you are actually going to use on the vacation and you can use this pouch. This is very good quality. It is velvet texture. I think all the brushes will easily fit into this pouch. Now let's see the brushes. Okay, all right. So these are the 10 brushes which we get. Okay, 5 are face brushes, 5 are eyes brushes, like eyes, eyeshadow for our eyebrows, for liner, all in one. And look at the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. Let's see the packaging of these brushes. This is their F001 brush. You can use it for powder, you can use it for your blush, you can use it to set your whole face for blending your makeup. And now let's quickly get into the video to see how I created this look. So I'm already done applying moisturizer and primer. Let's directly move to our foundation. For foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable and I'm in the shade 8D8W. And to apply my foundation today, I will be using this 003 brush. This brush has a flat top. Yeah, it is densely packed and very soft. Let's apply our foundation. See how nicely it blended and how quickly it actually blended my foundation. I really like it. Actually blended my foundation really well. There are no lines or streaks on my face. Let's move to our next product, that is concealer. For concealer, I am using the same old concealer, Elegel Pro Conceal in this shade medium beige. This is the same brush which I've used for my foundation. And let's see. You can already see the result. इसने मेरे concealer को भी बहुत अच्छे से blend किया है. You can see how it blended my concealer as well as foundation. So I really like this brush. This has multiple use. You can also use it for contouring. ये cream contour के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा useful होगा. So now I'm moving to my eyebrows. वैसे तो मैं eyebrows के लिए I use that Maybelline pencil which I really like, but this time I decided to try this brush E009 by Lacara and will be using this to fill in my eyebrows. It has this angled shape. So let's see. And for brows I'm taking this dark brown shade from Wet n Wild palette. Brush did a very good job. It is very easy to apply any brow powder using this brush. Now let's set our face, and for setting my face I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30 medium deep. For this the brush I'm using is F004. Because of this beautiful shape and angle, it is very easy to set your under eye with this brush. Now I will set my full face using this F002 brush. For setting my face I'm using the same powder by Maybelline. This brush is very soft and fluffy. So let's move to our eyes. For blending my eyeshadow I'm using this blending brush by Lacara World. This is their E006 brush. Again, this is very beautiful densely packed brush. This is the same Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Now I'm taking this Nykaa palette and I'm using this light pink shade all over my lids. It is very nicely blending the eyeshadow. Now I'm using this E007 brush to just pack some glitter on my eyelid. For that I'm using this copper shade by Nykaa. Now I am using this E008 brush. This is a pencil brush just to pack some brown eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm applying liner. मैं liquid liner नहीं लगा रही हूँ, but for applying liner I'm using this brush E010. This one has a very fine tip, and for liner I'm using this black color from the same Nykaa palette. इट हैज़ अ वेरी फाइन ब्यूटिफुल टिप. यू कैन सी अगर लिक्विड लाइनर होता तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छे से लग जाता, बट आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड अ स्लाइट हिंट ऑफ दिस ब्लैक ऑन माई आईलिड्स. और आप देख सकते हैं हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इट did. You can see the difference in both my eyes. I will finish off this eye off camera. Now let's move to contouring. For contouring I'm using the same palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm using the brown shade. And for this, the brush I'm using is this F004 brush, which I used to pack powder under my eyes, because this is tiny and it's really nice. इट इज़ टाइनी एंड परफेक्ट, तो ये बहुत ईजीली कॉन्टोरिंग के लिए फिट हो रहा है. Now I will apply some kajal and mascara. For kajal I'm using this Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Kajal, and for mascara I'm using this Lash Paradise. I will finish off my eyes and will be back again. So now I'm back and I've applied some mascara and kajal. Okay, it's time to apply some blush, and for blush I'm using this F001 blush. This is their most fluffiest brush. This is super soft as well. I will apply blush with this. For blush I'm using this Nykaa Malibu Barbie blush set, and two shades come in this. Okay, this both of them has slight shimmer in it. This one is very pigmented and this is little light on my skin, so I will take this one, but I will take little bit as it's very pigmented. I will slightly contour my nose by using the same brush which we used to apply shimmer on our eyes. This is E007. And my last brush is this fan brush. This is F005, and this is again very soft brush, and this one is specially for highlighter. So let's apply some highlighter using this brush. For highlighter I'm using this Master Chrome Molten Gold shade by Maybelline. Very little amount will be enough. Just easily blended my highlighter. You can see the difference. Let's move to my last product for today, that is lipstick. I'm using this lipstick by Lakme. This is from their Forever Matte collection. This is in the shade 02 Soft Wine. This one I have already shown in my last Nykaa haul. It is super pigmented, very light formula. It turns into matte, so it's a beautiful lipstick, and this is one shade which would look good on all skin types. So this is the final result, guys, and I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. So I'm done with my makeup, guys. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. I'm very happy with the brush. The quality is really good. So let's talk about my favorite brushes. Actually, I liked all the brushes. The quality is good. They all are super soft, but there are few of my favorite brushes. Like first one is this brush, which I did not expect to be, because I normally apply my foundation using only beauty blender because मुझे उसका इफेक्ट ज़्यादा पसंद आता है, but this brush easily did that job for me. It is really compact, dense. So first is this one. This is their F003 brush. My second favorite brush is this F004 because it has this beautiful shape which easily fits in our under eye area. And Third is this F002 brush. This is a amazing brush. You can use it for powder, you can also use it for blush. So these three brushes have multiple use. This is their F002, F003 and F004. So they have multiple uses. That's the reason I like them. All the brushes I used today is I like them. They are good quality, they are affordable, they feel luxurious, they are super soft, and I definitely recommend them. If you don't have any brushes, no need to buy them, no need to buy single brushes. You can just directly go ahead, invest in these good brushes, and you are good to go. Then you do not need any other brushes. Only con with these brushes is that you cannot buy a single brush. You have to buy set to use to have these brushes. That's the only thing, but other than that I really like them. That's all for this video, guys. I really hope you find this video helpful. You will try this look for yourself, and if you like it, then please hit like, please subscribe to my channel, also hit notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video, and we'll see you soon with my next one.